a young lady, the baby in town. They are all happy. Look at the smile they have put on people's face today. They will not lack. Their family will not lack. Their children will not lack. God will do mighty things for you people in your family. As you go back, because of this honor you have given to this school and things you have done to this school, as you go back, your business will go. So I'm saying it to all of you, everyone who has deep money and who supported this move. These guys did not sleep. Since December they came in, they have been working. See here now, you can see it. They have been working up till today. They don't sleep in the night, cooking, running around with their motors. When I'm coming, I say, look, I saw some motor in this ship. Die, the motor is too much. Chukuga goes you the one. Emma Kachi Hego. Lequanya la can number la Facebook. Get we go.